guys, Jackson Forge here, and as you can see, it's raining. So sorry if this audio is a little bad, but here's what we are going to be building a folding knife today. And so let me show you it. First, you need any sort of knife that could be hand forged or just a knife without a handle already on it. And then you're going to need maybe like 3 or 2 nails. I'm probably going to be using this one because it's small, but I may use this one. And you're also going to need a block of wood. I'm going to cut it off right here, but this will be for different wood material. Then you're going to need a ball peen hammer to peen the nails. And you're going to need a hacksaw. That's all the materials.
Sorry about that scratchy audio.
And so I'm also working with my friend here, Cyril.
Hey!
And so I hope you enjoy. Bye. Well, no, damn it. So, we're going to put that nail into that little socket. And how we're going to do that is we're just going to like solder on a piece or tape on a piece. Now I'm going to just flatten it and run it in my hand. And so now it's pretty much flattened. Fill it one more time. Hey guys, a little life hack. So if your soldering iron isn't wet, or your little sponge, you just, if it's raining, you can just put it out here, soak it up. Like that. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to solder this piece of nail that I flattened right here to act as a hole. We're going to put that on there to act as a hole. Because that was already hardened. So, sorry for putting up the middle finger. Do that, and that'll act as the hole for the nail. So now I'm soldering on a piece, but it's not really working out because soldering is not a welder. It solders on very small pieces. I already knew that, but I just wanted to try, and I taped on that piece for stability. So it's not really going to work out. I'll do this in time. So scratch this knife. We're not doing that one because the soldering didn't work, and I already left out a bevel on it, but that sucks, and we're gonna do this one. This one already, I made it. It's scrap, and I just sanded it a little bit. You may have saw in a previous video, and this will be the folding knife instead of that other one. I'm gonna roughen a bevel once I have the handle on, and yeah, we'll go on from there. So, this part isn't really working out.
It's a crack.
Suggest you just skip ahead. This is kind of boring, but okay, so I went with a different wood instead of the redwood. That's me going super speed. That didn't really work out, so. Yep, going super speed again. So that's Cyril doing some of the work.
Good time.
and his name is Cyril, not cereal, Cyril. So I tried making a nail, and so the clips didn't get imported, and so, but I put on the handle and assembled it. Basically, that's me stabbing it, and we're gonna be testing with Cyril's dagger, which we made yesterday. And yeah, so that's Cyril's dagger. The end where he's holding it, we squished a washer, and so he hit it with that part. Not a washer, sorry, it's a nut. And we're just testing with an apple and a water bottle. And if that big ball thing in the background, that was a dung beetle for Halloween, and that's me rolling around my ball poop, but all the poop fell off. Sorry, not important to the question. But it was a pretty clean cut. And that's the water bottle we're gonna be using. Okay, so Cyril did like hitting again. Sorry that the camera's not really focused. Keep in mind it's still raining outside, and that really sucked when we did it. And so now it's just like really rainy now, and it sucks. So I built that crossbow, remember? And now I shot the arrow into this piece of apple. But it's taken a little bit. I had to reload it, and this is in slow-mo, so it's pretty slow. Okay, so here's the first water bottle, kind of small. And we didn't really puncture it too many times. So, you can see we kind of missed. And if you want my videos to be longer, more than 15 minutes, you have to pay, I think, like $1. And I don't really want to pay because I'm cheap, but you have to pay $1 if you want to go more than 15 minutes. But I think 15 minutes is a good viewing time. So then it just hit my hand. So we got a small bit of drippage. It was right on the top. So now
one more.
moving on to the big one. And so that was me hitting. Didn't really do anything. Now we're gonna be doing another stab. Okay. That was a complete mess. Okay. So, at this point now it's just testing. Did a lot of tests with this. And that is when there was a rippage. That's Cyril doing some. Ooh.
Slash this thing.
Video, and I hope you enjoy this folding knife. Stop rampaging it. And I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, and bye. What? He just took out the string. My friend is sharpening other blades, and I got my folding knife, and I'm gonna do like this GoPro thing, except not really GoPro. So let's see if I can stab it. Missed. I tied that sock around there so that way the water wouldn't spill out. One more time. Okay. And so, yeah.